Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change a username in chess.com application. To change your username on chess.com is possible. First of all, open the chess application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're in the home page, tap on the More button at the bottom right corner. Now, click on Profile. Inside your Profile section, tap the three dots at the top right and click on Edit Profile. Now, select Username from the Profile section. Type in your desired username in the text box on the next page. After you have your unique username, you will see a little tick mark indicating that the username is available. After you are done, tap on Continue. Click on Yes in the pop-up to confirm the change, and you will then be able to change your username, just like that. Remember that you can change your username once every 90 days. That means after changing a username, you must wait 90 days before changing it again. And just like that, your old username is gone forever. That is how you easily change username on chess.com application. If you found the video helpful, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech for Gamers for more tutorials like this. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.